Xbox subscription on phone. I am going to show you how you can easily cancel your Xbox subscription on your phone. You can cancel an Xbox subscription at any time. Turning off recurring bill will stop future charges for a subscription and grant you its benefits until its expiration date. You may also be eligible to cancel immediately with a refund. However, not all subscription charges can be refunded. In the following countries, you have the right to cancel a subscription that has recurring bill with immediate effect and receive a prorated refund as described in the Microsoft Consumer Subscription Prorated Refund Policy. To cancel or turn off recurring billing and to check refund eligibility from your mobile or desktop browser. Go to Services and Subscriptions and sign in with Microsoft account you used to purchase your subscription. It is important to use that account. Find your subscription and select Manage. Note that if you see Turn on Recurring Billing instead of a link that says Manage, this means your subscription is already set to expire on the date shown and you won't be charged after this date. You can continue to use the subscription benefits until it expires. Select Cancel Subscription and follow the instructions. Note that if you are eligible for a refund, you will see an option to cancel immediately with a refund.